Well, I haven't fished King Parrot in years, and I've turned up and it looks super, super low. I think because it's so low, I'll probably end up single nymphing a lot of the shallow water that I can see there. Whoop. And I've got a nymph under dry rod, and I'll probably fish quite a small mayfly on the top and a really light nymph underneath it for some of the pools. But it's so low, it's really surprising for September. So I'm just going to start nymph under dry in the pool here pretty much, because it looks quite slow, the back end of it. So I've got just a split wing mayfly and a 2.5mm beaded pink tag, because I always used to catch them on here when I fished it at uni. I'm just going to nymph under dry to the top, and then I'll pretty much push on just seeking depth, because the water's quite low. I think any really particularly nice slow pocket, or just any deep pocket, should hold one. There's one. It's a lovely fish for this river. That is a lovely fish. It's a nice depression there. He has to be in there. It's the best looking bit of water I've fished all day. There's one there. He was just in that, off the ledge of that bedrock there. Well, the trend continues of no fish in the runs in this flat stuff here then. It looks awesome in there. This little spot looks good because it's kind of medium pace. It's not super fast, not super slow. And oh, I missed him first cast there. Oh. Well, I was just turning the GoPro on while my fly was sitting in the water here in the pool. And I lift up and a fish had eaten the nymph. I kind of needed that on a tough day like this. That's a lovely fish again. I don't know what's going on because I have not seen a fish in any of this beautiful flowing stuff here. And we got a bridge there, and there's always meant to be a bridge fish, so got to be one somewhere. Well, I've just seen one laid up shallow here. He's just risen there, so should probably throw a dry at him actually. I went to all the trouble of changing then, and he just decided to slink his way into the main current and disappear into the depth. So well, it's another fish. So I turned the GoPro off just because I was in that slow stuff, and then my indicator was pretty much fishing static, and then went down and there he was. That there is the first fish I've caught on the nymphing rod all day. The rest of them are nymph under dry. Well, the rising fish is a nice one to finish on. With the dry there, nestled in the side. Well, that was a nice little 2-hour session or so, but it was quite frustrating at the same time because the fish just did not want to be in the fast water. So September, it's still early, I guess. Pretty much nymph under dry in the pool was the way to go. And I only caught that one there at the end, double nymphing. So yeah, if I had my time over again, I wouldn't have spent half my time fishing the fast water like I did, and I would have just focused on the pools. Best fly was pretty much whatever was under the dry when you nymph under dried, but that was a pink tag for most of it. I got that one on the dry at the end on a split wing mayfly, so that was it.